Welcome back to the lab. Today, the 5 best cheap kitchen gadgets you'll actually use every day, ranked. And number 1 is a total game changer. Quick heads up, everything's linked in the description. Let's get into it, starting at number 5. Number 5, an electric milk frother. This little gadget whips plain milk into thick, cafe-style foam in seconds. Lattes, matcha, hot chocolate, all barista level right at home. It costs almost nothing, and once it's on your counter, you'll use it every single morning. Number 4, a mini waffle maker. And this one makes little Mickey-shaped waffles. It's crispy, it's adorable, and it's not just waffles. Hash browns, cookies, even mini omelets. It turns a boring breakfast into something the whole family fights over. Number 3, a Mandoline Slicer. Perfectly even slices of potato, cucumber, or onion in seconds. No knife skills, no uneven chips. It's the secret behind restaurant-looking food, and it cuts your prep time in half. Just mind your fingers and use the guard. Number 2, a digital instant read thermometer. No more cutting into the chicken to check, no more dry steak. 1 second, exact temperature, every time. It's the difference between hoping dinner turns out and knowing it will. And number 1, the gadget that changes how you cook. A Ninja air fryer. Crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted veggies, in minutes, with barely any oil and almost no cleanup. It's faster than the oven, healthier than frying, and it honestly does half the work for you. If you buy one thing from this list, make it this one. It's my number 1 for a reason. That's a wrap from HomePic's Lab. Everything's linked below with current prices. If this helped, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.